Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to blur video in CapCut PC. So start by adding your video to the track that you want to blur. And now in the left top corner, go to effects here. Click video effects to get a pop down. And now go down to the option that says lens. Here you have an option that says blur. Where is it? It's right here. So simply click the blue button or drag it down to the video track above it. And now it's going to be blurred where you see this time span. So let's play it for to see what I mean. And as you can see, after this stops, the blur go away. So if you want to make the entire video blurry, then simply hold and drag until you want it to stop. So if I want this entire video to be blurry, then I just make it the same length as the track. And now you can also go and adjust the blur over here on the right hand side. So if you only want like a little bit like this, you can leave it at that. Or if you could want like this, you can go all in. And that's how you can blur video in CapCut PC.